Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to book hotel on Agoda without credit card. So let's get into the video. So open up Agoda, so go to their website agoda.com, and then if you have an account, just log into your account. And then once you're done here on your page here, so what you're going to do, you're going to simply search for the destination where you want to book a hotel. So for example, it's a Pattaya, and then choose the dates. So just simply select some dates and then choose how many people and how many rooms you need and all those information. Hit on search. So this will pop up the best results for you based on your preference and dates. So once this loads, so what are you going to do now here? So when you get the results, so these are your search results. So what are you going to do on your left panel here? You have some filters here. So under your filter, you'll see option called book without credit card. Simply tick that box so that it will filter up your results, and then it will show you only with hotels that you can book without a credit card. So for example here. So now what you can do, or you can just choose any option or any hotels that you're interested. So just select that, and then all you have to do is simply complete the process. So click on view property, and then this will take you to the property details. So now you can just look into the pictures and your room details. So and once you're fine with it, so what you can do, so you just click on the pictures to see the pictures of the hotel. So you can just click on it, and once you're done with that, so once this opens up, you can check out the pictures of the hotel if you want, or else you can straight away scroll down and then choose these other options that you have, the different types of rooms here. So you just all have to do is simply choose one and then hit on book now. And then as mentioned here, it's mentioned that there's no credit card needed, so you don't really need a credit card to book this. So it's now going to take you to the booking page here, where you just need to finalize your details and then complete the process. So for example here, so as mentioned, there's no credit card needed to book this, so you don't need a credit card. And then just fill in all your details here and then hit on book now, and that's it, done. You will book this you will book the room without a credit card. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in another